Hello everyone and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Pardon my voice, I'm a little under the weather, but so just bear with me a little bit. But we're taking a look at this beautiful 2024 Harris 230 Cruiser that's right behind me. We're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our boats. And just taking a peek at it, it is a great looking boat. It's got a little bit of a fresh redesign for 2024. You have a tri-tune set up here, so you have three 25-inch tunes. You'll see the exterior color is a midnight blue with the black powder-coated fencing. Looks really sharp. As we work our way back to the stern here, you'll notice the bimini top is optioned out with the black rails, which is kind of nice because it matches this black powder-coated fencing. Just ties into the theme. Moving to the stern here, you'll notice the safety railings. You'll notice the newly redesigned ski tow bar, which is kind of cool. It's got a really robust look to it. And then on the back here, you do have a trickle charger, so it's like a battery maintenance charger. A transom stereo remote to control the audio, change songs, that sort of thing. And then this 230 Cruiser is powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard engine, which is plenty of power to tow your tubers, your skiers, or even your wakeboarders from this ski tow bar. It's pretty slick. Let's move around to the other side here quick. You'll see you have a nice telescoping ladder, very wide steps, so it's going to be easy on your feet, which is nice to get up into the boat or to get into the water if you so choose to. And yeah, that was really the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, guys, we're up inside of the Harris 230 Cruiser, and it's a beautiful pontoon. Again, it's a 2024, brand new here at the MarineMax Rogers location. But again, just take a look at this entire interior. You have a nice L group seating configuration in the cockpit right here. You have a redesigned helm that I'll go over in just a second. This particular 230 Cruiser has the SL layout, which is a single rear-facing lounger. And what that provides you is a backrest here that can be moved into different positions. It can be folded all the way down to give you an entire sun pad to lay out on. Fold that back up into position. You'll see that seat on the right side there, or better known as the port side, is a fixed seat, so that can be, sat in both directions, either in the cockpit or in the stern area. And what's nice too is that you have the safety railings back here. So this stern area you can sit in, so it's like added square footage because you have the safety railings back there, which is nice. You'll have storage underneath these compartments along with an integrated cooler back here, which is cool. Again, moving to the cockpit, the L group seating configuration with the helm tray that can swivel around, which is nice because that allows the captain to kind of feel like they're in that conversation, that they're not left out, which is cool. He'll certainly like that, or she will certainly like that. We have the tungsten interior, which is nice. It's going to stay nice and cool. You have the darker gray accents as well. At the helm, it's completely redesigned for 2024. And it's a very sharp looking helm that's more minimal, but it has everything that you need, which is great. So sitting down here, you'll notice I have a JL Audio head unit right here to control my audio system. I have a SIMRAD display here for my digital information like my engine and charts. Off to the right here, I have a nice phone holder. I have some physical toggle switches for my RGB lighting, my navigation lights, as well as ski locker lighting in there, which is cool. And then my digital throttle and shift is located right here. And yes, this one does have GTS, so it's very smooth to shift in and out of gear. Very nice option to have for that 200 horsepower Mercury outboard that this pontoon is powered by. Moving up into the bow of this 230 Cruiser. A lot of space up here. You'll notice that actually some of the upholstery and the way the vinyl looks is a bit different for 2024. So it's got a bit of a redesigned look and feel to it. Kind of feels more like a Solstice in a sense, which is cool. Cup holders, again with RGB lighting inside of them. You'll have USB ports where the cup holders are, so you can stay connected to your phone, which is great. And then ski locker storage. And it is very expansive in there. So you'll have plenty of room to put life jackets, skis, a wakeboard in there. I mean, there's a lot of space, which is great. Close that up. I guess one thing too that I'll point out, little storage compartment here in this new helm down below, and you'll have more storage actually on the right side of the helm chair, which is nice. So very nicely appointed helm there. Nice redesign, a great look, more modernized, which is cool. I think people are really going to enjoy that and like that. That's really this 230 Cruiser that I wanted to go over with you, is really those features inside and out. If you guys have any questions or would like to come and stop by and take a peek at this boat, feel free to do that. It's located here at our MarineMax Rogers location, or give us a call. We'd be glad to answer any questions and help you out. Thank you.